cruise industry is back and they want you to cruise. We couldn't pass up a $25 promo, so after a negative COVID test, we packed our bags, drove to Dallas, hopped on a plane to Orlando, and used the bus shuttle services to take us to the port to board Carnival Elation. So excited that we're actually able to come to this cruise. On the last one, we missed our flight. So we officially have experienced a bad travel day. 3+ hours of delayed flight, check. We had to cancel our cruise. On top of that, our luggages. Next stop, the cruise. Yeah.
2 hours later.
I'm like half awake, half asleep. We just got out from a spa.
It was a 75-minute
hot
stone couple massage, and I would say if you ever come down to any of the Carnival rides, cruise ship,
do a spa on the first day because they give you a 20% off.
Massage number 2. So we're starting off our adventure here at the Cruise Elevation for a couple massage spa day today. Eat tonight and relax.
What is up, friend? We are in day 2 of our Carnival Cruise Elation trip. Yesterday we didn't pick up the camera. We did a little bit once we got on board after having a long day of travel to the cruise. We were really happy to have stepped into the cruise and start our vacation and just ate lots of good food.
Unfortunately, there was an emergency that they had to stop in Nassau.
Our destinations were originally Turks and Caicos and Dominican Republic, Amber Cove. But looks like Grand Turks is out of the picture and we're in Nassau today.
There was a lot of confusion. It was back and forth of which destination was going to be canceled. Well, let's just say there was a lot of angry people here, and I mean the captain had to tell everybody that it's not the workers' fault.
It sounded pretty bad. I feel bad for that family member. That's the last thing you want to hear is on vacation someone's sick.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
So today we are gonna show the ship to you guys. We'll take some time and show y'all around. So come on. Even though this vessel is one of the smaller and older models Carnival owns, we were still pretty happy with the entertainment and activities there was on board. For example, lots of kid-friendly activities like putt-putt,
or you can play arcade. Or have fun on water slides.
In the evenings were live shows. Some were kid-friendly and others were adult-only, which either way, they never disappointed. Then you have duty and tax-free shopping on board. This is a great spot for those who are liquor lovers to stock up on your expensive bougie drinks. There's also shops where you can do some shopping. They also have some sales some days, like right now they have a $10 sale that we're gonna go check out. Hi chismositos, ¿quieren ver el cuarto? Come on in. So as you can tell, the space is not big, but it's perfect for 2 people. There is a king bed, which they say they can fit 2 twin beds in here. Then right here is an alternative bed, which we're not gonna put down.
One eternity later.
All the way in. There's another bed up here too. The fan. I mean, gosh, I feel like it stays hot everywhere around here. So did you know that you can request the fan for free? So you don't even have to bring a fan on board. You just request it, at least for Carnival, and they bring you one. So and I love the size. Perfect. Another tip, power cord. There is only two strips of 2 outlets, and so we brought additional to plug. There's the telephone, there's water, and then of course I love Cheez-Its. I have brought these from home. There is a fridge, which I have water and drinks in right now. There is plenty of storage space. Here's number 1 with the mirror. Then we have our stuff, which packing cubes are our lifesavers. Here's another section of just randomness. There is a safe for those that need a safe. The restrooms.
So the restroom is just pretty much a simple restroom. So there's the shower, sink, and toilet. I feel comfortable going inside of here, you know, not feeling cramped and all that. Now, the toilet, on the other hand, makes a pretty strong flush. It's pretty loud.
Overall, I know everyone has their own style on how they want to accommodate on board, but for us, interior is perfect because we have barely spent time in the room. So much activities on board that we stay around doing stuff. So once again, this is just interior, and this is how we're living on board. Good morning.
Morning.
Day 3 of the cruise. Today is the sea day. Today we're going to show you guys the choices there is for breakfast. Because, like I said, all you do is eat here.
I mean, we're already here 3 days already, and I feel like I have gained probably about 5 pounds in just eating. I mean, we just constantly been eating, but that's all you do in a cruise. You have fun and you just eat, and you just don't think about anything else.
If you have ever been on a cruise, then you can possibly relate to Mario's food statement. With majority of the food options being complimentary, you strive to try everything on board. Cruising right now has its perks, with some ships not operating at max capacity. There were times we found ourselves enjoying spaces by ourselves. Sometimes a little bit too much. We are up at 5 a.m. today
14 ground.
just to see the sunrise.
Things you find early in the morning here at Carnival Cruise.
Hours later.
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
We made it to the Dominican Republic and we're with some amazing friends. We got Alex and Sume with us. They'll be spending the day with us in Dominican Republic as we spend our time at the beach. So we too cheap to get a taxi, so we just burning some calories. What is this, a 17-minute walk?
It's gonna be like an hour and a half.
Alcoholic drinks, all that food.
It's gonna be like an hour and a half walk.
It better be Dominican breakfast there.
Oh yeah.
As we journeyed our way to Playa Bachata, the walk was not terrible. If you decide to walk, just ignore the dozens of taxi drivers who will approach you and possibly lie about the distance. Once inside the resort, we met a local who was excited to be on camera and decided to ask him a couple of questions.
Okay, si algo que queríamos probar aquí, ¿qué comida sería?
Sí, mira, hay un moro de guandul muy bueno. Excelente. Moro de guandul.
¿Moro?
De guandules.
¿Qué consiste?
Arroz.
Sí. Arroz.
Pero muy bien. Bueno.
Y luego, ¿cómo cambia el turismo aquí cuando hay un crucero?
Mucho.
¿Sí?
Muy bueno, muy
So,
bueno.
aquí esta área depende mucho del turismo.
Sí.
¿Está bonita esta playa?
Sí, muy linda.
Sí.
No sé si el agua la ha ensuciado. Porque a veces
¿Tuvo una tormenta?
cuando hay mucha lluvia la trae mucho.
Sí, ahí sí la vi un poco más oscurita.
Sí.
Yeah. Gracias por...
Karina,
sí,
bendiciones.
Karina. Gracias.
We spent our entire day at port inside this all-inclusive resort. Completely worth the $35 we spent. It included beach access, breakfast, lunch, and unlimited drinks. I even got lucky and had myself a fresh coconut.
Está rico el coco, familia. Salud.
We could seriously dedicate a whole new video just on this place, but we're just sharing the highlights on this vlog. We spent our last days catching up on laundry and enjoying the activities on board with our new friends. The best part of traveling is meeting people and making new friendships. If anyone knows how Carnival assigns seating in the dining room, let us know in the comments. They couldn't have grouped us with such an amazing group of people. There was never a dull moment with this group. This cruise adventure wouldn't have been the same without y'all, and grateful for the memories made with each one of you. Shout out to Alex, Sume, Ronnie, and Daniel for such a memorable vacation.
Okay.
Oh, wow, that was good.
Overall, we rate our first cruise post-pandemic 5 stars and can't wait to go back on a cruise again. And who knows, maybe there will be a part 2 with this group. We love visiting new destinations and always looking for travel buddies. Over and out from Carnival Elation. Peace.
Don't forget to subscribe.
All right.
Hey, thanks for watching Life with the Sibs. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell.
Yeah.